There we go. Finally, we're live. Having trouble getting the live stream to start there. All right. Small green day, $80. Nothing crazy, and I'll explain why. And just be happy that we're green. One trade, $80. We bought here at 9:16 Central at 21,638. We sold two for 11 points or 13 points, and then one more contract, or excuse me, one for 13 points, one more for like right at the top here for 25 points. And then we got stopped out in the green here on that pullback. So market was just super hot today, really bullish, went up over like 200 points since open. We finally got this kind of pullback into the 21 EMA and started building this bull flag. This is what it looks like on the 2-minute chart. But because we were so far from the 21 EMA on the 2-minute and it already pushed like 230 points from open, it was like there was a lot of FOMO here, a lot of fear of missing out. Just, do I want to get long here? Do I want to get long here? No, I wanted to wait for a pullback. So we finally kind of had this bull flag start to set up. And the only thing I wish I would have, so because my stop loss was so big, because my entry was kind of higher, I only traded 3 contracts instead of 6. So I kind of scaled down, traded a smaller amount of contracts because my stop loss was like down here at 598. My entry was at 638. So because I had such a large stop loss, I did a smaller amount of contracts because I didn't want to risk too much. I wish my entry would have been more like around here at the 620 area. We could have grabbed more points, but my entry was a little bit late. But we still got that, still grabbed profit. We still took profits, still won. The market just kept going up and up and up. Obviously, if you would have got long, like when the market opened, yeah, you would have made a ton of money, but that's not my edge. It's not my strategy. It's not my rules. I don't trade the open. So there it is. Here's our performance center and trade of 8. One trade, $82, 3 micro contracts, nothing crazy. If I traded 6, it would have been like $160, but you know, I followed most of my rules, maybe not all of them, and we got rewarded. It's a small green day. I'm going to take it. I think the good thing about being a consistent, profitable trader is just taking what the market's going to give you. The market's not always going to give you a $600 day or a $300 day or a $1,000 day. Sometimes you might only make $80 or $100 with the strategy I'm playing with and the amount of capital. It's just one $50,000 account. I'm not copy trading 5 $150,000 accounts or anything yet. We're trading one $50,000 account. So there's nothing wrong with getting your couple $100 a day or whatever and just sticking to your plan and not having a red day, not going on tilt, not breaking a bunch of rules. So, you know, there it is. If we look at this account so far, I'm up over $1,100. 80% win rate. Now, that's not really super accurate because it counts every trade when I take partial profits as a winning trade. So it's probably closer to like a 70% win rate. But hey, that's good. Largest winning trade's bigger than our largest losing trade. And we got a green week again. Yesterday, I took 2 trades. One losing trade, one winning trade, but the winning trade was bigger than the losing trade. So yesterday, I think I only walked away with like $20, but it was a green day. We'll see what happens again tomorrow. I'm not going to overtrade. I'm not going to start breaking rules just because I didn't make as much money as I wanted to today. That's a problem that a lot of people have. They're like, oh, $80, that's not enough. Like, I need more. Well, you know, you can't have what you need. You can only have what you have. And so you just need to take what you can get once in a while. Like, and that's what it is. Like, you can't force your will on the market or you will lose money. The market is always right. So whatever the market's doing right here, the market's right. And I was right and basically putting a probability that, hey, I think the market's going to go a little bit higher right here if I buy in this area right here. We're already bullish on the day. We got a pivot point up here at 675 that still hadn't been touched yet. So I kind of drew my line here and we got in. I've been starting to get into my trades before it breaks through the line. It just gives me a better entry. And the reason why I only traded 3 contracts is because look how far we were from the 21 EMA on the 2-minute. You know, I got in at like 638 and the 21 EMA was way down at 570. So it's just, you know, it wasn't that the greatest kind of looking chart there for getting in. So hence why I only traded 3 contracts instead of 6. I just wish that I would have bought more into this dip. Like, yeah, you're not going to time it exactly at the bottom. We kind of sold exactly at the top there, but I wish I would have entered maybe, you know, buy into this dip right here around the 620 area. That would have just given us a slightly better entry. And obviously, if we would have traded 6 contracts, that's when we would have been looking at a $300-400 trade or whatever. But that's not what happened. This is what happened. This is the story. This is the recap for the day. Jumping on here again live just to let y'all know what happened. There it is. I've been trading really well, so I'm just focused on good trades. The money will come. I'm just focused on following my rules, sticking to my discipline, and that's it. So we'll be back again tomorrow to see what happens tomorrow. All right, later, y'all. Peace out. God bless. Bye.